7,000 crore rupees tax fraud. And no, this was not done by a bank or a stockbroker. This was done by a biryani restaurant chains. Let me tell you how the actually fraud worked here. These restaurants were accepting large cash payments, and at the end of every month, they would bulk delete all cash invoices from their billing systems. So officially, their reported sales were much lower than the reality. Lower sales on paper, which equals to lower GST paid, which results into lower income tax paid. Simple manipulation but massive scale. Now this is the smart part. These restaurants were using a billing software company, and the software charged them a percentage of total revenue as fees. Tax official here analyzed the software company's GSTR1 filings. From the fees collected, they calculated the actual gross sales of the restaurants, and the number did not match actually. The estimated sales were way higher than what actually restaurants had declared, and that raised suspicion here. Officials then access the backend cloud data of the software system. Even though invoices were deleted locally, copies were stored in the cloud, and that's where they found the missing invoices. Total discrepancy uncovered is equal to 7,000 crore rupees. 7,000 crore is not a small number actually, that too in India. That is thousands of crore in GST and income tax impact. And this was not a single small outlet. It involved structured underreporting across operations. This case proves one important thing here. In today's digital system, even if you delete data on your screen, the backend does not forget. Data trails are actually real, cloud records are permanent, and forensic tax investigations are becoming way smarter. 7,000 crore rupees scam exposed through analytics, not confession actually. So stay aware and stay informed.